The roots of Peradeniya engineering faculty goes all the way to Colombo, where the founding University of Sri Lanka, University of Ceylon, now known as University of Peradeniya, was established on the 1st of July 1942. The university had a vision to establish an engineering faculty, and one man was entrusted with the task, Professor E.O.E. Pereira. Appointed as Professor of Civil Engineering in 1947, he laid the foundation for what would become one of the most distinguished engineering faculties in the region. On 1st of July 1950, the Faculty of Engineering was officially established at the Ceylon Technical College in Maradana, with just 12 academic staff, 25 new students, and 3 batches of seniors completing their studies. The early curriculum was a blend of the University of London and the faculty's own innovations, offering a 4-year degree of Bachelor of the Science of Engineering in specializations of civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering. Students spent their first year studying mathematics, physics, and chemistry at the Science Faculty in Thurston Road, while also mastering engineering, drawing, and workshop practice at the Ceylon Technical College at Maradana. Yet, the dream was always bigger. Under the leadership guidance of visionary leader Sir Ivo Jennings, the university envisioned to be brought to Peradeniya. Set against the scenic backdrop of the Mahabali River as a residential university with a diverse set of faculties. As the transition was happening, after the University of Ceylon Administration and Arts and Oriental Studies faculties at Thurston Road were shifted to Peradeniya in October 1952, the freed up spaces were allocated to engineering faculty for office rooms, lecture rooms, and drawing offices. Professor E.O.E. Pereira, with much forward thinking, prepared plans for a new engineering faculty at Peradeniya for an intake of 150. Although the approved intake was 25 at an estimated cost of 15 million rupees for buildings and equipment. The planned site for the Peradeniya Engineering Faculty, Pera-EFAC, was a 6-hectare plot of land on the left bank of the Mahabali River at the scenic Peradeniya campus. The faculty complex was to be linked to the main Peradeniya campus by a footbridge across the Mahabali River, planned by faculty staff and the university architect. The plans took shape in the 1950s, and by 1964, the move became a reality. With spacious lecture hall, state-of-the-art laboratories, and breathtaking surroundings, the faculty flourished at Peradeniya. The first group of students arrived in October 1964, and by December, they had settled into their new accommodations at Akbarnel Hall. By 1966, the first-year curriculum was fully integrated within the engineering faculty. Under the visionary leadership of Professor E.O.E. Pereira, the faculty continued to expand, adding new departments and increasing student intake. By 1970, most students entering the university had their school education in Swabhasha, and the faculty adopted a policy decision to have bilingual streams. In 1971, the faculty acquired Sri Lanka's first university computer, IBM 1130. This revolutionized engineering education, enabling new courses in computing and offering services to other faculties and industries. By 1972, engineering faculty staff was brimming with many bright new PhDs, who cherish the challenge of teaching state-of-the-art topics under final year elective courses. Thus, engineering faculty was able to produce graduates of a high caliber who excelled in research programs in universities abroad and also competent as good design engineers. With the new University of Ceylon Act in 1972, University of Ceylon Peradeniya became University of Sri Lanka Peradeniya campus. The Silver Jubilee in 1975 marked a turning point, celebrating 25 years of engineering excellence. The faculty continued to grow, introducing postgraduate programs and modernizing its curriculum. The alumni network PIFA was founded in 1991, strengthening ties between past and present students. By 2000, the faculty was thriving, with the Golden Jubilee celebrations drawing thousands of visitors and sparking major engineering exhibitions. The Faculty of Engineering began with a limited number of departments, focusing on civil, mechanical, and electrical engineering. As the demand for specialized engineering knowledge grew, the faculty expanded its academic offerings. The establishment of the Department of Chemical Engineering, Department of Production Engineering, and Department of Engineering Mathematics in 1971. Followed by the Department of Computer Sciences in 1985, reflected the dynamic evolution of global technological advancements. Today, they are known as Department of Chemical and Process Engineering, Department of Manufacturing and Industrial Engineering, and Department of Computer Engineering, offering their own specializations. Student intakes have steadily increased over the years to 250 in 1978, 300 in 1992, 325 in 2000, 415 in 2008, 435 in 2020, and reaching 455 in 2022. From an initial 25 faculty members in 1964, the academic staff has grown to 111 dedicated professionals today. Today, the Faculty of Engineering at Peradeniya shines as a center of excellence, providing globally accredited programs and nurturing engineers who shape industries and academia across the world. As the faculty celebrates its 75 years anniversary, the faculty's strategic vision focuses on fostering global partnerships, enhancing research capabilities, and promoting innovation to address the complex challenges of the 21st century. From its modest origins in Colombo to becoming a renowned institution, its path has been marked by resilience, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to engineering education. The legacy continues, built on the foundations of knowledge, driven by innovation, and fueled by the passion of generations past, present, and future.